Working online is just like any other job. You have to make sure that everything is working perfectly and in a very correct manner, that you yourself will be able to realize that you're doing something in the right way. You cannot come to the internet and treat it like when you see such a video like mine here, and then you go and you want to get a job that very day. If you're sharp enough, if you're concerned enough, you will get that job. But if you come with a motive of getting money, very fast, of concentrating on money, you will not get this job. And that's the challenge that most transcribers face. You come with a motive, you have not practiced, and you go for a job application, then you're denied the job. These crises have happened so many times, and it happens in real life. When you go to apply for a job, then they test you with an interview, then you start blaming the interviewers that they didn't do well on your side, which is wrong. People in this video, people watching this video right now, you have a motive, you have a desire, and that is to work online. And personally, I think, specifically, if I was to say, you want to do transcription jobs, please go to my channel. Yeah, let me just show you. Go to my channel and do everything here like that. I give a lot of videos here. You see, this one here is transcription, this one here typing job, this one here also here is a typing job. There are so many typing jobs I've given here, and I have one job in affiliate marketing, which I'm going to tackle more in depth as we continue. I have how to create a PayPal account so that you can receive your money. So today I'm going to show you, just from the brand new account, how a person who is a beginner like you should go about the thing. When you're going to the internet, don't go like you know everything. When you go with that mind, you're going to fail. Accept that you don't know. Accept that you want to know. Accept that you want to learn. And the trick here is just continue to stay to the end of the video, because I'm going to revealing to you secrets and skills that you can use to pass this test, to be able to get a job, not just the transcription jobs, but other jobs that are available that can make you a ton of dollars, a ton of hundreds of dollars. So I want to show you a perspective of me. If I'm new to the internet and I see this kind of video that teaching people how to do transcription jobs, they even give you a website. For example, if I go to this website here, this is called Transcript. So here I have to read carefully. Yeah, start from the heading, like the number. You don't really care about the number. The services, you don't really care. Translations like this, you really don't care. Transcription jobs available worldwide, so this is what you care about. So you go and read, join Transcript and be part of the global team of a professional transcriptionist. So we pay competitive rates for our online transcription, up to 0.6. So number one, if you see that they pay, that is all. If you see that they can pay, that's all. Don't concentrate and say, I want more dollars, yet you've never done transcription. Yeah. So the first thing when you're going for these jobs, especially if you're new to this, don't think about the money. When you think about the money, it's going to fail you. You are going to fail. You're not going to get into this. Yeah. And number two, don't buy an account. If you buy an account, who is going to do the job for you? Yeah. You have to do this job yourself. So one thing I've realized about all these companies, the test is harder. The test is harder than the actual job. So if you're able to pass the test, trust me, the jobs are going to be a passover. You'll be able to go through them very clean and clear, like very simple. Yeah, let's say 50%. Like, the test is very hard. That's what I know. So don't buy an account. So here they say, they give you a brief about their company. They say apply now. This is probably where I would click if I want to apply, but I would continue to read. Please note, buying and selling of a Go transcript account is illegal. This is what I was talking about. If you buy an account, you lose money because we have implemented safeguards to prevent illegal account purchases. Yeah, SMS verification, face photo during registration, real-time photo with the verification code written on paper. Like, that is the thing I was talking about. So these people are trying to help you. They want you to succeed, and there are more here. Do transcription jobs from home. Do all this from just your comfort. All you need is a computer and internet connection. Get paid reliably through PayPal when the work is completed. Work flexible in your own hours. Like, work as much as you can. Receive great support from the team of support here. Choose your own projects you want to do. Grow your skill by doing more projects. Yeah. And all you need, I'm telling you, is just normal internet connection. Doesn't need to be a very big one. Then a simple computer. Then one of the things I would invest in is something like this, a headset, so that you can be able to, oh, it sounds weird, so that you can be able to hear everything directly to your head. Let me put this here. Yes, you have to work hard. You have to invest in yourself. You have to invest in the skill. You see here, illegal accounts are forbidden. Mark that one very well. So you've learned how they pay, and they pay through PayPal. So number one requirements, you would go and create a PayPal account before you even, register for this company. That is what an amateur like me would go and do. I would not go and rush into a registration. I don't even know what a PayPal account is. I don't even have a PayPal account. Then I want to get money. How will I get paid? You have to have your wallet. You need the bank account. You need the PayPal account so that you can get payments. Yeah. So that's one of the things you do. Then you go and read the languages available. English, of course, is there. Then these are other languages. So there's so many. You'd read all these frequent asked questions, and you'll be able to understand everything. So you see, so if I read all this site, I would go back here and say, I click on this, say English. Yeah. When I click on English, I have to be very careful. I am on register, sign up, create an account. I will go transcript. It's free and easy. Take 10 seconds. Only 10 seconds. Okay. So one thing I would do, I would go to this 6 characters. Let me just put my password. So then I would continue and say sign up. When I say sign up, you see this apply for transcription position. To apply for transcriber position, you must complete a quiz 100% correct, which our guidelines. Each question can have one or more correct answers, which forms are not appropriate to use for affirmation in a full verbatim. So you would go here and just read this. Take your time, my dear. Take your time. Read this, the whole thing. Just read this very well. So number one, you see, is already here. So you read this very well and carefully, so that when you go, you want a job. The way I would take this is like my life depends on it. So I would not want to lose this. Yeah. So I would go one by one. I read this. There are just 10 questions. Yeah. One by one. So when you say confirm, boom. They have given you the answers. They are here. The answers are here. You have to read. You have to read, my dear. You have to read. Don't be lazy. Don't go guessing this. You'll think that you know all these answers, but my dear, if this is saying the opposite, you will fail. You'll fail. So one thing, open this, go to the guidelines, read everything. read everything from top to bottom. Come back here. When you see forms, which forms are not appropriate to use for affirmation in a full, you could do come here, you reread this. The text is transcribed exactly as it sounds and includes all the utterances of speakers. Those are speaker errors. I went to the bank on Thursday. No, Friday. False start. Wanted. I have a dream of becoming a musician. Yeah. Fuller words like all these are an example. These are examples. Clean verbatim. The transcribed text does not include speech errors. So you see, speech errors is not allowed. Speech errors, very many of them. Speech errors are not allowed. You see, clean verbatim. False start unless they add information. You see, flatters, they are not allowed. Repetitions, they are not allowed. Filler words, they are not allowed. Slang words, they are not allowed. Yeah, must be written as yes. All right, must be written as all right. All right. So then you go back here and read again. Which forms are not appropriate to using affirmations in? So you see that you will take these things. All of them are not even allowed. So read carefully. Read carefully. I feel very terrible. I feel absolutely terrible. I feel really terrible. So these are things English matters. They test your English here very well. So let me repeat myself. Number one, take yourself the internet like you're a new beginner. Even if you've really tried much, as long as you failed, you're a beginner. You don't know anything. The internet doesn't care about you. These people don't care about you. All they want is to please their customers. Yeah. So go there like you mean business. Go and do the test. Yeah. Pass the test. Do it yourself. Don't buy an account. Yeah. When you pass, you can do the transcription very easily and you'll pass. You'll be able to earn your money clean and you'll be happy with yourself. Yeah. So if the content I've provided for you is important, is useful, please help us subscribe below. I thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Sign up.